This is jerk, and this is jerk. But what is jerk? You've likely seen or tasted jerk seasoning or sauce on chicken, and you've likely had or seen it at chicken wing restaurants like Buffalo Wild Wings. But did you know that there's a whole story behind this spiced up flavor called jerk? In the spirit of culinary traditions, jerk, a unique and vibrant style of cooking, finds its origins in the heart of Jamaica. It's a technique that infuses meats with flavor through the artful use of tantalizing Jamaican jerk spices, used as both dry rubs and wet marinades. This culinary tradition is deeply rooted in history, tracing back to the indigenous peoples of Jamaica, especially the Arawak and Taino tribes, who mingled with the Jamaican Maroons. The very term jerk offers a fascinating linguistic journey. It springs from the Spanish word charqui, originally from the Quechua language, meaning dried or jerked meat, ultimately transforming into the English word for jerky. The rich tapestry of jerk cooking closely entwines with the Jamaican Maroons, who honed the art by slow cooking wild hogs over fragrant pimento wood. At the heart of jerk seasoning lies a bewitching alchemy of allspice and fiery Scotch bonnet peppers. Yet the modern canvas of jerk seasoning has expanded far beyond chicken and pork, now embracing an array of ingredients from fish and shrimp to shellfish, beef, sausage, lamb, goat, tofu, and an array of vibrant vegetables. The cooking techniques have also evolved from traditional underground pits to more convenient methods like the use of wood-burning stoves. In the 1960s, Caribbean innovators introduced a clever twist, using cut oil barrels with ventilation holes and hinges to recreate that beloved smoky pit flavor. The most cherished in Jamaica involves grilling over hardwood charcoal in a steel drum called a jerk pan. Jerk cooking and seasoning are now enjoyed globally. It now thrives in restaurants and lively jerk stands or jerk centers in countries with significant Caribbean communities such as the United Kingdom, Canada, the United States, and the Cayman Islands. The technique adapts to local ingredients and tastes, offering distinct regional twists on jerk dishes. A noteworthy example is poulet boucani in French Caribbean countries, bearing a striking resemblance to traditional Jamaican jerk chicken, a testament to the widespread influence of this culinary artistry. In the present day, jerk cooking stands as a living celebration of its rich history and versatile applications, resonating with a global audience. So whether you create your own jerk seasoning or find yourself in your favorite wing joint, remember that this unique flavor has a storied past that transcends time and borders. The sizzling allure of jerk, born from the indigenous wisdom of Jamaica, has journeyed through centuries, adapting and flourishing, all while preserving the essence of its fiery roots. As you savor those spicy, smoky notes, you're not just enjoying a meal. You're partaking in a savory tale that spans cultures, connecting people with a taste of history and tradition. The next time you take a bite of jerk-seasoned goodness, relish not only in the flavors, but the cultural heritage that has made it a global sensation. Well, there you have it, the deep history of jerk seasoning. Thanks for watching, and as always, my friends, stay saucy.